In this video, I'm using Saarthi to turn a raw product idea into a detailed roadmap. I start by switching to Product Manager Lead mode. This mode is designed for founders and product leads who want to plan, validate, and structure their ideas using lean startup principles. Now, I simply type my prompt, asking Saarthi to plan a PRD for my upcoming project. In seconds, Saarthi analyzes the feature list and roadmap, automatically breaking it into clear delivery phases and generates detailed PRDs for every phase. Each document is structured, implementation ready, and tied back to your roadmap. Unlike generic AI tools, Saarthi doesn't just write content. It understands context. It knows your goals, priorities, and timelines, aligning every PRD with your product strategy and execution plan. All of this happens without switching tools or losing context. And there's more. Saarthi also connects with your existing documentation. By linking to your Atlassian MCP server, you can fetch any existing PRD directly from Confluence, simply by typing what you need in the chat. Start with an idea. Install Saarthi in your VSCode, and let it transform your vision into a detailed strategy and execution plan.